Do you remember this from a previous video? So the plan was we were supposed to be heading off to the beaches in Normandy. The Irish passports still haven't arrived. This year is my 50th birthday and I wanted to do something special. So that is out of the question. It's not going to happen. Well, it's all back on. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll tell you all about it.
Now, before all that happens, there's a few upgrades I need to do to the van. I need to fit backing on the overhead cabinets. I need to build some sort of housing for the jack. Security in the van is going to have to be stepped up. I would also like this upgraded from this to this. New curtain tiebacks need to be made. Oh, and the van needs a service.
This could turn out to be a holiday of a lifetime, but unless I can learn how to drive on the wrong side of the road, we ain't going nowhere.
So, the backing for the overhead cabinet, a piece of thick, flimsy roofer's plastic from B&Q, cut to size so that it folds around the curvature of the roof. A generous spray of self-adhesive to both the carpet and the plastic. These are the bits that I have left over, so I'm just trying to use stuff up. Lay the carpet and give it a good smoothing out. Same again for the actual bit that's going to curve up around the cabinet roof. This bit will not be seen, so don't worry if it doesn't look great. Same thing for the bit at the end. A couple of buttons just to hold it to the roof and secure it all in place. So, 2 brackets, one goes on each side of the back doors. When you close the doors, this little pin slides into the holes on each bracket, preventing the doors from being opened. Simple but effective. The disc lock, the daddy of them all. When researching van security, this thing keeps popping up. Simply goes around the steering wheel, locks into place, and spins freely. Expensive, but well worth the money. So the battery has arrived. That is it fitted. Not by me, I called in the experts. The housing will need cleaned up. A few coats of bullseye, 1, 2, 3 to preserve it. Secure it down. Lovely. A wee bit of wood trimming for the side of the bedroom windows, along with 3 coats of varnish. Another bit to cover these horrible screw holes. This is the storage box, so a bit of pipe insulation to stop any rattling. This will house the jack, sun lounger, and a few bits and bobs in case of a breakdown. A bit of architive for around the kitchen area. A wee bit of non-slip trim. And the only thing left to do is clean and pack the van. We are good to go.